Hey guys, and welcome back to Simple Secrets. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on a knife that has been trending all over social media. It's known as the Santoku knife.
Santoku is a Japanese word which means the three virtues, that is slicing, dicing and chopping. And today we are going to put the knife to the test by making a simple South African salad, Sambals. So first, let's do the unboxing.
So guys, this isn't a sponsored review. We purchased the Santoku knife from Woolies for 399 Rand with our own money. The packaging is classic Woolies, clean and minimalistic. The knife sits really well in your hand with excellent balance, and it's built to last with the blade running all the way through the handle. Best of all, it's seriously sharp out of the box. The only real downside is the price tag, which might seem a bit steep for some. Bottom line, sure you can find cheaper knives out there, but if you're after one versatile knife that can handle most of your kitchen tasks, this is definitely worth considering. Keep an eye out for this knife in action in our upcoming episodes.
For the Sambals, you will need 4 green chilies, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a little bit of coriander or dhania as we call it, a tablespoon of vinegar, 3 tomatoes, half an onion, a little bit of mint, and a teaspoon of sugar. So let's get to using this knife. So I usually cut the tomatoes first, else you'd be crying throughout the whole process of making the salad. Okay, wow, this knife is sharp. You need to cut your tomatoes into small cubes. So next we're going to chop our chilies. Usually it's better to just cut the ends off first. And then cut them in 4s. So you can just pick up all your chilies with your knife like this and pop it into your bowl. So next we're going to chop up our coriander. And we chop this finely. So next we're going to chop up our mint, and you also want to chop that as finely as possible and pop it into your bowl. So next we're chopping up our onion, which is last, like I said, so we don't cry. This is a very versatile knife. You cube your onions as small as possible. This knife is so sharp it makes onions cry. You can also chop the onions like this. If you could have one knife in your kitchen that does everything, I think this is the knife, as you did with all the other ingredients and just put it in there. So next we're going to add in our salt. You're going to add in your sugar and your vinegar. So once you have everything in your bowl, you just need to mix it.
Let's try it out.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Some mutton curry would go well with it. And there you have it. That's a Santoku knife.
It's a very versatile knife. You can use it for fish, meat and vegetables.
And if you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. The blade contains whatever the heck that is.
We have to run fast. Our dog is tired. She's been to many shows.
Like and subscribe my